like, oh, that's coming. Because I was wondering why the girls was posting back to back, back to back. I'm like, dang, what's going on? Like, I can't keep up. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new, I'm Jessica. If you're not new, welcome back to another vlog. So we are, y'all know what it is, but we about to finish this wig. I had already colored it black. Jet black is pretty too. It's pretty. It came out really nice. I don't know, I'm gonna have to use that dye from now on because that's some good dye. But we're about to bleach the knots, so let's get started.
Damn, DJ Suave, relax. I'm on that good cushion alcohol. I got some damn bitches I can call. I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm about to the day I fall.
Yeah, long as my bitches love me. My bitches love me. My bitches love me.
Yeah.
I could give a fuck by no hate, as long as my bitches love me. My bitches love me. My bitches love me. Yeah, I could give a fuck by no nigga, long as these bitches love me.
Pussy ass nigga stop hating. The tone chick got that fire. And these hoes love me like Satan, man. Yeah. Fuck with me and get bodied, and all she eat is dick. She's on a strict diet, that's my baby. With no makeup, she a 10, and she the best with that head, even better than Corinne. She don't want money, she want the time we could spend. She said, cause I really need somebody, so tell me you're that somebody. Girl, I fuck who I want, and fuck who I don't. Got that A1 credit. That filet mignon. She say, I never wanna make you mad, I just wanna make you proud. I say, baby, just make me come, then don't make a sound.
I'm on that good cushion alcohol.
Yeah,
I got some damn bitches I can call. I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm about to the day I fall.
Yeah, long as my bitches love me.
my bitches love me.
My bitches love me.
Yeah.
I could give a fuck by no hate, as long as my bitches love me.
My bitches love me. My bitches love me.
Yeah, I could give a fuck by no nigga, long as these bitches love me.
Real nigga, fuck these haters. These hoes got pussies like craters. Can't treat these hoes like ladies, man. Pussy money, we codeine. She say my dick feel like morphine. I hope my name tastes like sardines to these niggas. She wake up, eat this dick, call that breakfast in bed. 69.96, I feel a heartbeat. I chest to chest with this bitch. Now turn around, face down, I'm arresting this bitch. Yeah, all my bitches love me, and I love all my bitches. But it's like soon as I come to my senses, and I would say these hoes' names, but then I would be snitching, and these haters try to knock me, but they can't knock me off the hinges.
I'm on that good cushion alcohol.
Alright y'all, I'm done with the wig. It turned out nice. I'm gonna let y'all see the install. I didn't want to do too much b-roll with the wig because y'all know my last couple videos was about my wigs. So yeah, but guess what I got, y'all? I'm excited because I wanted to try this double XL. This is the blackberry kind. I wanted to try this so bad, and I found one. I got one. So I'm gonna try this with y'all, but my battery is dying, so let me switch out my battery and then I'll call y'all back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I got it poured, so let's try it. Oh my God, it's good. Like, you know, when you, that right there is good, and you get the the smell of it, the gist of it, when you putting it to your mouth, about to get some. It's really good. It just tastes like alcohol for real. I really can't. It's too much. Ugh. It's too much for me, but it's good. The flavor's good. It's not bad, but it is a little bit too much for me. Maybe it's because it's not cold yet, but it's too much. I'm gonna try another one, but I'll catch y'all tomorrow, y'all. Hey y'all, it's another day in the vlog. I just got in the house from doing a couple errands. I had some things to do today. I'm trying to put something on my stomach. I got some 2 wings that I had from yesterday. I just needed to come on here and talk to y'all. Checks is nasty. I think I hurt my neck, y'all. I'm supposed to get an MRI on my neck because they're thinking that's what's making my shoulders and my bones and everything hurt. The way I describe my pain, she is pointing towards my neck, and my neck's been hurting me, but I ain't been thinking it's my neck. And I can't really turn my head, like my neck is bothering me, and I think she's on to something about getting the MRI on my neck. Cause I'm like, at first I'm like, why does she need an MRI on my neck? Like, what she got? I ain't complaining about my neck hurting, but the way I'm describing my pain, like my hands hurt, my shoulders hurt, my thighs, the side of my thighs, not the inside, but on the side, all the way down to my knee, hurt. And my lower back don't hurt. It's just my upper back. So she was like, she wanted to check my neck. Well, the other day, I woke up and I don't sleep. You know, I don't sleep. I sleep with a whole bunch of pillows. I don't sleep with like, I sleep flat. Like, I don't sleep with a crook. Like, I don't sleep certain ways. Like, I'm just like, I sleep the same way all the time. I'm thinking like, what did I wake up? Like, did I sleep? I'm thinking in my head. I don't know. But anyway, I woke up and my neck was hurting so bad. I might have been sleeping a weird way, and I just don't know it. But now my neck's been hurting. I just ain't said nothing because I'm like, that's not hurting compared to my hands and my legs and stuff hurting. And like, I was saying that I was weak. I don't know. So she was like, what you're saying, like weakness and all that, it's pertaining to your neck. Like, you might have a disc bulging. It might not be dangerous, but it might be something that's what's causing your pain. So, good thing I'm back on leave. I can get some things done because y'all know they still ain't giving me no food stamp. Hopefully I can get some now. They keep on saying I make too much. But hopefully I can get some now. I don't see the problem. I mean, I don't see what I make. I don't know. I don't see what they mean by I make too much, because it's not, I don't know. It's not adding up. But I'm going to keep trying because they gave them to me before. So, while I'm off, I'm going to try. Shoot. But yeah. But these, I'm hungry. I'm just so hungry. And I don't want to eat nothing too heavy. I'm back on my diet. I've been drinking my Zero Gatorade and my water. And that's if I like flavor, because I'm a juice girl. I'm not really a soda girl like that, but mainly a juice girl. But it's just for the flavor. So the Zero Gatorade, all good or nothing, but it just gives me a little bit of flavor. That I need. But I'm getting ready to go ahead. We get ready to go pick this boy up in a little bit. And then we're going to head over to Lowe's because I got to get some black mulch for outside. And I know it's too late for it, but my landlord has said he had got a letter in the mail and they want everybody to start putting stuff down, putting some mulch down or decorating in front of their house. My house been decorated. I decorate for every season. But as far as like the grass and everything to keep the weeds down, I want us to put either rocks or mulch or something down. So I'm gonna go take care of that today while we got some good weather. Other than that, I ain't doing too much. I'm going to install my wig when I get back. I'm scared of that wig. I think I messed it up, y'all. I think I took too much hair out, but what I'm going to do, it was like less than $100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another one when I get some more money and do it again. Second time's a charm. It's not too bad, but I ain't gonna get a lot of wears out of it. I'm gonna tell you that. I like that first wear, probably second wear, but that's it. I put up too much of them. Oh, I tend to do that. I don't know why. This one, my little jump throw on with, I got it like paste down right there. I said paste down, but I got it glued down right here. The rest of it ain't glued down. I usually wear this wig with my hat, but I have something to do today that caused me to dress up a little bit. So, yeah. And I'm gonna let y'all know what I got going on. Y'all gonna know in the future. Y'all gonna know in a minute. I'm gonna tell y'all. I want to tell y'all now, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to tell y'all. Y'all gonna be happy. But I dyed my fingers. I definitely gotta get my nails, do my nails now. I dyed my hands and everything. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought because it was water coloring, that was gonna dye my hands. Huh. Yeah, and it's permanent dye too, so I have to file it off my finger. But yeah, today's been a day. Hopefully it gets better throughout the week. I really am going to enjoy this time off because I feel like I'm getting ready to be at work. Like work. And I'm trying to be consistent with y'all. Like, my dumb self, I only have one SD card. So the videos is taking forever to come up because I gotta get this together. Like, I'm learning as I go. I keep telling y'all that. But the SD, I should have 2 SD cards. One for the new vlog and one for the vlog that I, you know what I mean, just keep going back and forth, because having one at a time is not good, because if I need to start editing a video and still record, you can't do both. So yeah. Oh my god. So I'm trying to record this video right here at least. That way I have at least two videos to record. They can go up back to back for y'all, but I'm trying. I know I ordered me another one so that I can have it. I got my GoPro up and running again. I had brought SD card for that. But I usually use that when I go into the stores. I don't like the quality too much. I gotta get a light for that too. So the light, so that could be like, so the quality can be a little better with the lighting. But yeah, just so much money going out trying to get my quality, my videos up. It ain't nothing coming in yet, so just bear with me, y'all. Because being a content creator is not easy. I don't care what nobody say. It's fun, but it ain't easy. It's damn sure ain't easy, and it damn sure ain't cheap. It's very expensive to do. Even if they say, oh, just do it with your phone, da 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 da. Like, I am not tech savvy, and I could not do it with my phone, so I had to invest. Some people can do that. I'm just not. Like, I need to be able to see what I'm doing. It just wasn't working out for me with my phone. So, and then my phone always be saying it don't have enough space, or if I'm in the middle of a video, it'll cut off, and then I got to delete. Yeah, I don't got time for that. So I got my camera and my computer, which my computer is, I think it's a 128. Yeah, it's a 128 gigabyte. Yeah. So the more stuff I put on that, the more how hard it be for me to upload and download these videos. So that's bothering, that's slowing me up too. I want to do like Vlogtober, but y'all, I can't even do regular. So it's like I'll be ready next year for it all. Y'all look, Vlogmas, all that's coming. Like, all that's coming. Because I was wondering why the girls was posting back to back. I'm like, dang, what's going on? Like, I can't keep up. It's the sponsorships. They gotta get their money in so they can start getting their sponsorships and stuff for the holidays. So you know, somebody came over from Chelsea's page and was, you know, telling me, she helped me out. She helped me understand that. So I'm like, okay, thank you. You know, she's just starting out too. Yeah. Y'all might see her in the comments on one video. I think it's the video where I'm sitting there like this. That one. I think it's that one. No, matter of fact, it's not that one. It's the one where I went to the welfare office. Yeah, it's that one. Yeah, she's in them comments. Yeah, so we gained a new subscriber from Chelsea's page. Cause I was trying to ask Chelsea, like, what is going on, girl? Like, you uploading more than normal and I can't keep up. Like, what's going on? So, and one of her subscribers was like, because they got to get their sponsorships, and this the time where they should upload more so they can get their money. And I kind of figured that, but yeah, she enlightened me. But yeah, next year it's our turn. We're gonna be uploading back to back, trying to get those sponsorships, because I would definitely be monetized by then. I'm trying to be monetized by the end of this year. If not the end of this year, January, for sure. We gonna do this. We gonna do this. I got some juicy videos coming up. I do, y'all. Y'all gonna be laughing, having a good old time. Just knowing, because I'm very open up to y'all, like really open up on some things, you know, just, you know, not a lot, but a little. And yeah, but let me put my craft together. Let me figure these things out. Y'all stay tuned, because it's coming up soon. That's so funny. I think in this video, yeah, y'all need to know how. I mean, y'all don't need to know anything for real. But you know, my you don't know how I do it. People always ask you, Jessica, what are you doing? Girl, you wouldn't believe what I'm doing. Okay, you wouldn't. You just wouldn't. A lot of it's by God. It's the grace. I'm telling you. But honey, my ex-husband still takes care of me. He still does for me. Like, he still makes sure we straight. But yeah. All right, y'all. We're at Lowe's. About to get this this mulch for the front lawn. I don't know. I'm trying to think in my mind. Should I talk through it or should I just do a B-roll? I think I'm gonna talk through it, but if I get in here and the music is loud, y'all know I'm gonna B-roll it. That burp was nasty. Hold on, hit that lock in the car. Yep. All right, y'all. Let's get up in here. Let's grab a cart. Grab a cart down there. See. Have already. I don't know what mulch look like out. Come on, I'm trying to find mulch. I'm scared to ask my mulch is. What? This is the fact. My son is gonna kill. Jesus. Oh my God. He ain't going else. I'm looking at what I'm looking for. Where oh, I see water hose. 50 feet, 24. These black ones is cute. Those ones is cute too because they match my. I don't even need no. I do need water hose. I need to wash my car. But then that's more. Let me see. What 50 feet? Everything's only 50 feet. Is that like the normal? Is that like the normal feet for water hose? These are her sprinklers for your grass. Why is that so damn much? I don't know why I'm worried about that right now. Pull it out. Really don't need to be worried about that right now. I just need to get, I came here for one thing. And that is so much. It's 4, 5. Make sure that that one got a hole in it, I think. If it got a hole in it, don't get it, because I got to get in my car. That's cool. Alright, we got 5 of them, y'all. Alright, let's get up out of here. Look how much this is, y'all. Oh my god. Look at that one way up there. I don't even want to look at the price of him. He is tall. Look how short I am compared. I'm literally holding the camera all the way up to the tree.
I will not stop till I've expunged this new world of
I mean,
every
to have a nice little decoration, I mean, it's breaking a bank nowadays. I'm gonna take, look y'all, just for a little, something just like this. Look how much this is. Ain't no way. But me, though, I ain't gonna hold you. I probably had that for like 5, 10, 12 years. But it ain't worth it for me to buy. Like, this stuff right here is ridiculous. $50 and $60. It was something that I liked in here. Let me show y'all. I was looking at one of these. They put a little candle in, but it's battery operated, of course. But it's $19. And this right here is cute. All you gotta do is touch it, and it does this. But look how much that is. No. It is just gonna be worth it. Like this little thing, this thing is little. Look how little it is compared to my hand. $40. No. That should be like $20. And you gotta add your own batteries. This little thing right here, that thing is little, y'all. It's little. It's $80 for that, just to sit in a little spot in your yard. I understand you can have this stuff for years and years and years to come, but I mean, come on, man. Like, some of this stuff be overpriced. Look at that. Look at that. Oh no. It's time to go. Now, this is cute for my yard. Just to sit in there, and I can sit a little like light in there. But they only have one. I need at least 3 of them. $50 off. See? It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Alright, I'm out of here. Alright, see. These skulls is cool. They're only $12. And they can sit in the yard too. But they're so light, I'm scared they might get blown away. And they ain't got, I don't know if you can, they don't have nothing light up in the inside to show them. No, it ain't worth it either. Ouch, you hitting me with it. What is this? Oh, a whole spider. Where would I put this? On the house? On my garage, probably. Going up that net. Yeah, that would be nice. This only $10. I got 2 of these going up the net. That'd be nice. I don't really decorate for Halloween. I know I could do it, but I don't do it. I never done it. I always wait till like Thanksgiving. I might put a pumpkin out or something like that. But we don't even decorate. We don't even decorate pumpkins. Like, you know how you carve a pumpkin? We don't do that. But I did do it when I was younger. My mom did it. But I'm not a Halloween girl. I never really was. I was always a Christmas. I'm a Christmas girl. But yeah, we're about to get up out of here. We're gonna check out, and I'll call y'all back when I get home.
wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down, never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty, cutie. A butterfly tattoo right above your navel. Your belly button's pierced too, just like I like it, girl. Come take a walk with me. You'll be impressed by the game that I kick to you. It's so thorough and real. Flowers will be bloom in the summertime. You're ready to be watered by this conversation. You're ready. I'm in awe 'cause you shine like the sun. Let me be the one to enjoy you. Let's kick it, girl. So slow down. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty, cutie. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you, baby. Turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty, cutie. Oh, baby, you know by now that I want you bad. I'm floating on thin air, I can't come down. Cupid hit me already. Damn, now I can't leave till 7 digits are in my hand. Flowers will be bloom in the summertime. You're ready to be watered by this conversation. You're ready. I'm in awe 'cause you shine like the sun. Let me be the one to enjoy you. Let's kick it, girl. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty, cutie. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty, cutie. So lovely. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Cutie, slow down. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely.
Decided to go, swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if you can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, ooh, suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like you don't. You know I'm cold with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like the Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. But when you say go, I'll let you move slow. a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me. Suck it to me like you want to. I can take it like a pro, you know. Suck it to me like you want to. Suck it to me like you want to.
Hey y'all, it's another day in the vlog. It is like about 5 o'clock p.m. Today. It is, I think it's Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah. I'm trying to record on one SD card and upload at the same time, so on the same SD card. Major mistake, but I'm gonna make it happen. Yeah, we ain't doing nothing but cleaning out this garage. I'm tired of looking at it. It's dusty. I need to clean it. But yeah, I just decided to do something because I got a lot of things going on right now and I needed to clear my mind. So I needed to clean something, and we need to organize this. Plus I want to start decorating my nail salon because I'm about to start getting some butts up in here, more and more butts, to get my nail career popping down here. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here to tell y'all what I was doing before I started b-rolling. Y'all know I got a habit of doing that, so let's get into it. All right. Oh yeah, do y'all like my hair? Because the last clip showed me doing it. Y'all like it? It's okay for me. I still want it bigger, and I found one. I got just the wig. I'm just getting started, and I think I'm gonna get it when I get some extra money. I'm gonna get, it's not that much. It's only like 100 or something. But yeah, I'm gonna get it because it's big, it's full, and it's exactly what I've been looking for. This is fine. I think this is like the second day of wearing it, so like as the week go on, it's gonna get softer and fluffier, and it's gonna be nice. So yeah, let me let's get started with this garage, because the faster I get it started, the faster I get it done.
Close the door. Close the door. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it cracking in the club. Close the door. Drop it like it's hot. Get to work in that back. Push it, baby. You work that back. Let me see it go up and down. Rotate that thing. I wanna touch that thing. Go round and round.
In my own lane, ho be cool when you address me. Undercover smoke, hoes don't really want the pressure. Side nigga tripping, trying to make me leave my main. Acting like a bitch, ho, you fucking up the game. Told him it was good, so you knew it was some pressure. Burning up the spot, popping up, just being extra. All in my comments on fake pages being messy. Block the nigga number just to make sure he don't text me. On that demon town, boy, this orange is something cold. Put that guac on him, got him curling up his toes. Henny in my system, I really put it on him. Energize the bunny, we be fucking till the morning, yo, snap.
Damn, baby, all I need is close the door. A little bit of this.
Snatch.
Cracking in the club. Close the door.
It's on.
Drop it like it's hot. side. Let me that back, push it, keep working that. Let me see it go up and down. Rotate that thing, I wanna touch that thing. Round and round. I step up in the club, I'm like, who you with? She unit in the house, yeah, that's my clique. Yeah, I'm young, but a nigga from the old school. On the dance floor, a nigga doing old moves. I don't give a fuck, I do what I want to. I hit your ass up, boy, I don't want you. Better listen when I talk, nigga, don't trip. Yo, heat in the car, mine's in this bitch. I ain't tryna beef, I'm tryna get my drink on. Now my diamonds, my fitted, and my mink on. I'ma kick it at the bar till it's time to go. Then I'ma get shorty in and I'ma let her know. All a nigga really needs is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them off, pull them down just a little bit. Close the door. JP. Let me give you. All a nigga really needs is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. Close the door. JP. Close the door. Let me give you. Close the door.
Hey y'all, I don't know if y'all can see me, but my hair is still wet. I just came outside because I needed to run to the store to get my dinner. We right here at Food Line, right around the corner from my house, and I'm just coming. I'm gonna make that potato casserole again. My kids want it. It's easy and it's quick, so that's what I'm gonna make. Sunday dinners, to me, because it's Sunday today, Sunday dinners is not Sunday dinner no more. I don't know, maybe it's because I changed and I have a different lifestyle, you know, so I feel like Sunday dinner is whatever you make, as long as you make it on Sunday. Because I used to cook like real hearty and like chicken and baked macaroni. I used to cook like that, but I don't eat like that no more, and my kids don't. We only eat like that on like holidays. Lately they've been craving it, and I told them I'll make it, but we don't get no food stamps, so everything is cash. So they have to understand that mommy can only make what she can make. But I'm here, get ready to run into the store. We finally finished the garage, y'all. Just want to let y'all know the garage is done. It's looking very spotless and clean. And my hair is a little wet. It's so weird. I'm waiting to see how it turn out. So if it look flat, it's because it's still wet. But these nails, yeah, I did them. They're posted on my Instagram. My Instagram is in my description box, but they're posted. And these are something that I did to promote. I'm doing a sale this month for nails. If you're in the Charlotte area, just hit me up on my DM. Like I said, my Instagram is below in my description box. And let's run in here and let's get this stuff to make the potato casserole. And this time I'm making it with y'all. I only have 16 minutes on this SD card, but I have another one coming in the mail, so it should be in here tomorrow. And I'm gonna see what I can get with this one, or I might have to do it on my GoPro. So if the quality ain't the same, it's because that's the reason. But all right, y'all, let's go.
Walking down on Melrose, you look like an angel, straight out of heaven, girl. I was blown away by your sexiness. Now all I have to do is catch up to you. Slow down, I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing misses me. Slow down, anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty. butterfly tattoo right above your navel. Your belly button's pierced too, just like I like it, girl. Come take a walk with me. You'll be impressed by the game that I kick to you. It's so thorough and real. Let's kick it, girl. So slow down. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty. Cute. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you, baby. Turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty. Oh, baby, you know by now that I want you back. I'm floating on thin air, I can't come down. Cupid hit me already. Damn, now I can't leave till 7 digits are in my hand. In the summertime, you're ready to be watered by this conversation. You're ready. I'm in awe 'cause you shine like the sun. Let me be the one to enjoy you. Let's kick it, girl. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you. But don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty.
Hey y'all, I made it back home from the grocery store. We had got everything we needed, so now we about to get started. I am going to record with y'all, but I don't have no room on this SD card, so I'm going to do it off my GoPro. Hopefully we get some good footage with that. I'm gonna do my best, but I'm making that potato casserole. Y'all gonna have to see how I make it. I mean, I really want y'all to see how I make it, because it was good last time, and I want y'all to try it out. So I had gained some weight, and so I'm really feeling my little shake going on. So I don't know whether I want to lose more weight or whether I want to gain more, or just keep it where I'm at. Just keep it where I'm at, because yeah, she's really shaping, and y'all know I want to do some things to my body next year. So yeah, so with that being said, I only got like 1 minute left on this footage. I'm trying to use it up before it goes out on me. But yeah, the potato casserole is going, I think it's gonna be a hit for real. And please, I'm gonna try to do my best. And oh my god, what's going on in my house? Timer, you're gonna get a stapler and put it back. I'm gonna try to do my best and really show y'all every ingredient. Like, y'all don't know the short videos like that. I don't see how they do like TikTok and Instagram, and them videos is hard. They're really hard to do. So I'm gonna try to make sure I get every ingredient and every step in this video for y'all, because I'm telling y'all, on everything, this potato casserole is a hit, and it's fulfilling, and it's for like the winter time, like slash fall time. It's a good meal for that type of time this year. So I mean this time of the year. So yeah, so further ado, we're about to get started, and I hope y'all like it. Please try it. I'm gonna try to leave every ingredient down in the caption. I'm probably not going to be able to show y'all, like tell y'all the steps in the caption, like, because I don't do measurements. But if y'all know how to cook, if you know, you know. Okay, that's
Do it. Take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. direction, I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection, just you and me. Let's see if you can bring the nasty out of me. Let's suck it, ooh, suck it to me, lock it to me, too. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I'll be pumping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I'll make you move slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night creep. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED and won't you see to me? So suck it to me, ooh, suck it to me, suck it to me, ooh, suck it to me. I can take it like a pro, no, do a long throw, long backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I'll be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I'll make you move slow. Ooh, sock it to me like you want to. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me. Suck it to me like you want to. I can take it like a pro, you know. Suck it to me like you want to. Suck it to me like you want to.
I'll be your role model. Don't need help tomorrow. Gotta meet with Audemars. Tell me what you want. You say you had enough, 'cause my time ain't enough. Yeah, it's never enough for you, but you can wait until after tomorrow. Flawless, baby, what you call this? If the shit don't involve money, I'm all fit. I can be your role model. Give me Hendrix before we end it. No more Ghost Race or GT3. No more one shows, no MTV. So you always double back at the UV. Which way you gon' go after you been with me? I done seen it all before I turned 23. I could teach you how to ball if you just let a nigga be. We be so high, that's why we so low key. She wanna fly with you, let's make three. I'll be your role model. Don't need a house tomorrow. Gotta meet with Audemars. Tell me what you want. You say you had enough, 'cause my time ain't enough. There's never enough for you, but you can wait until after tomorrow. Flawless, baby, what you call this? If the shit don't involve money, I'm all fit. I can be your role model. Give me Hendrix before we end it. Us against the globe. Don't let your attitude on what we got. Never stressing if you just say no. I'll give you that.
It's good.